guys, today we're going to be playing Baldis Basics. I don't even have to say it. 2D Android Edition. This is a fan game. Downloadable episode. I'll leave it in the description how to download it. Or get something now. Just, if you're a Fire Kindle, just go start in search of Easy Installer. Then there should be a box. The Easy Installer.
We were just going to eat some ramen.
And then it should be downloadable there. Or just go to the Google Play Store. Or just go to Google and download it off there. Actually, download it off Google Chrome. I can. Now, let's talk straight into Baldis Basics Field Camping Trip Demo. Let's go camping. But we're not going to hop into that just yet. What I'm going to do is show you something. If you haven't played this game, this is 2D. Demo ends here. It does not. Seriously, that's it. There's nothing to do. You'll regret this. See that? Now you can't even hear it. Turn this sketchy too down. Hold on. Alright, we're back. Look at this. They just left. It's just right. Look at this. Mommy.
What?
No breaking the fourth wall. I
can't understand him.
I can't understand you.
Hey, Mommy.
No breaking the fourth wall in the halls.
No breaking the fourth wall. No breaking the fourth wall in the halls.
I watched that.
What on this?
I watched that.
Alright, nothing up. Of course it's Dr. Film. Alright, here we go. That's all. Now it's time to actually get into the camping trip.
Yeah, there's this one.
My friend, Jaden's friend, and are here, and my sister's friend, and
She was actually really skinny.
let's go camping. All set to keep the fire going.
No.
So the wood can collect firewood. Then we can come back to refill the fire. Alright, go for it. If we go past the no sign, guess what will happen? We'll get teleported by arts and crafts. So the more sticks you collect, if you collect like 4 sticks, you'll start to go slower. Collect 8, you'll go slower. We're gonna start sprinting.
She's not out of food yet.
Tap! Boom! That is how you play the camping trip demo, if you haven't. Now this is easy, and I can beat this on my first try. Believe me, I can. I can beat this on my first try. But of course, we went past the no signs. I always don't see the no signs. Get. Oh god, that is huge.
Oh no, I'm not. I'm still pretty upset about it.
Like, how easy is this game? How easy is this game? How easy is this game? This is too easy. I only have 78 seconds left. I have a minute and 5 seconds left. I'm gonna definitely beat this game for sure. Alright. Oh, dude! Look how big that is! I have 55 seconds left to do this thing. I am so gonna win no matter what happens. I'm gonna win. I am gonna win. I am definitely gonna win this game. Because of the big trap. You wanna see how big the fire is? See how big it is right now? It's gonna be even bigger. Boom! Look how.
Pookie, why are you sniffing him? Come here. Hi. Did you just say come here, Pookie?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. There's no sign.
She wants to sit on your head. What are you playing?
Baldis Basics future camping demo.
Baldis Basics Future? That looks like the past. That looks like the past. I am the past. I am the ugly.
Now that is what you call invading a game. I just wanted to show you that it's very easy to do. All the controls are simple, so I just wanted to say goodbye. Wait.